TSX here. Right now I just installed some fog lights on the bottom of the TSX. And then I added the dual color bulbs where they're white. They're white and yellow, so you could change the colors. This is a blue TSX. So what I also did was I also installed the button here, so you can turn it on and off whenever you want. Just turn the ignition to the second position, and then you could think. So right now I'm just show you guys under the hood what I did. So right now what I did was the wiring here. Put on the battery, the ground, I grounded off here on the side. The wiring, I tied it up here, ran it through the car's body and the inside over here in the corner. I did replace the alternator that not the alternator, I'm sorry, the power steering pump that he did have here. I replaced it with a new one. This is a black one. He also bought a brand new pulley to replace, because usually when you replace the power steering pump, you usually reuse the pulley. So right now, this is the new pulley in the pump. Everything installed. Okay, also what I did was I replaced the struts that were on the car. I know I have a lot of garbage here. I have the truck come to get it. I replaced the factory struts on the vehicle. Yeah. Also had a BMW come through earlier today. And this was his serpentine belt. Because there's a everybody knows that the oil filter gasket above the serpentine belt on the BMWs where the belts turn. So basically what happened is one of the coolant lines started to crack, and it allowed coolant to come out. So coolant got on the belt and slipped off the pulley and messed it up like this. But I was able to replace the part, and he should be good to go. Well, no, what I replaced was the belt. It's still leaking a little bit. I tightened the bolt to see how much more I can get it tight, but I got it as much as I could. So what I did was, with the new struts installed with the new springs, it'll take like 2 weeks for the springs and the new springs and struts to settle. So once those are finished settling, it'll take like about, like I said, 2 weeks to settle, and then go from there. Let me start it up for you guys so you guys can hear it. So I did replace the belt also, so there is a noticeable difference in the quietness of the motor. It's a little dirty under the hood, but we're going to clean that up. Clean up the engine bay and everything. Car's been sitting for a while. Okay. So everything's running nice and smooth. Good to go. There's enough power steering fluid in the pump. Good to go. Now I'm going to show you guys the fog lights on the bottom. I'm going to press the new button one time to turn on the fog lights. These are the new fog lights on. Okay, so now I'm going to turn them off because they're two color bulb. So I'm going to turn it off. And then turn it back on, and it's going to be yellow. And this is what they look like. Let me know what y'all think. Works perfectly. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to today. I got more content coming for you guys, more stuff for you guys. Let me know what y'all think.